Hey everybody, okay, it's that time of year again, the new year, the new you, blah, blah, blah. However, this year it's with a difference, okay? The new you in 2022 challenge is back, and what the difference is this year, we're all doing it with you. So if you've got some extra kilograms to lose, or maybe you've got a lot of kilograms to lose, if you're looking to get your energy back, take control of your health, maybe you've got some gut health issues, some bloating, you've got indigestion, you've got reflux, those types of issues. Well, now is the time to change. Now is the time to do something about it. And I can't tell you, the studies show you get groups of people doing these types of challenges and you get remarkable results. So we've set up a special Facebook page called New You in 2022 to help you become the new you in 22. So what does all of this mean? What is the challenge involved? In addition to the usual LTLA community support group that everybody gets, as well as our famous LTLA recipe group, we are setting up a new Facebook group. And in that group, I'm going to come in weekly. I'm going to do Q&A sessions so everybody can feel comfortable with all of the knowledge that they need to know. We've got prizes. Yay! Everybody loves prizes. We've got mentor lives. We've got expert guidance and advice. You know, things like why is phase 3 so important. We've got mentor top tips. There's so many. I had to run them all down. There's recipe tips. There's going to be cooking demonstrations. There's going to be dual lives with customers that do want to share. If you don't want to share, that's absolutely fine. There's going to be fun Friday tips. There's going to be a whole lot of motivation and support, but most importantly, it's going to be fun, because that's really where we'll all get the results. So we are having a prep week on January the 3rd for the whole week. Don't worry if you're away on holidays and you're seeing this, everything is going to be in the group for you when you get back. But we are going to kickstart the New You in 2022 challenge on the Monday, the 10th of January. And that's where we have our weigh-ins, and we're going to kickstart off with the challenge. Now, don't forget to spread the word. It's so important to spread the word. Get as many people on the program with you, and that can be the weight loss program or the gut repair program, but get as many people doing it with you, because like I said, if you get accountability buddies and you've got your own mentor and you're doing it with a support group, you watch the transformation. We have our share the love. Don't forget that. That means that if somebody decides to do it with you, not only do you get a $10 credit, but the person that is coming on board and doing it with you, if they're a new customer to us, then they get that $10 credit off their first order as well. It's an absolute win-win situation. And honestly, you won't look back. It's an opportunity to just get everything back into shape again, take control, get rid of those nasty digestive problems that everybody has, get rid of that unnecessary weight that so many of us put on during the holidays. And guess what? Ian's going to be doing it as well. Click on the link below, because we're going to share his testimonial. I'm going to be his support person, so I'm going to be on the program, and that's why we'll be able to share all of our hints and tips from our kitchen, from our life as well. So let us know if you've got any questions. Please reach out to your mentor, reach out to me, pop a comment in the comments below, and we will send you some more information. But look forward to everybody joining us.